lines, rallies take out to support for early solution to Indo-Naga talks. Then arrested for violence in Jamia Nagar, none of them are students. And respect their rights, US tells India on citizenship law protesters. A very good afternoon. You're watching the news today at 1 p.m. I'm Loving with the news in details. Peace rallies were taken out in all the 5 Naga-dominated districts of Chandil, Kamjong, Senapati, Tamenglong and Ukhrul today, organized by the United Naga UNC, an apex body of Nagas in Manipur. The rallies showed their support for an early solution to the ongoing Naga India and Naga groups led by National Socialist Council of Nagaland, NSC and IM, UNC said. The rallies began from 11 a.m. onwards. At Tamenglong district headquarters, the rally was carried out by 4 tribes, Rongmei, Liangmei, Zemei and Inpui. The rally that started from Apollo ground culminated at DEC office Tamenglong, where they submitted a memorandum to the Deputy Commissioner. Thousands of supporters came out in the streets and joined the massive rally, during which slogans were chanted. Naga Women Union President Asha Ungam told Times of Manipur television that the peace rallies in the 5 districts have drawn the attention of the center. The Naga people want a logical and honorable political solution to the Naga problems, she added.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯕꯨ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯄꯥꯝꯂꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯦꯞ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯅꯤ
Matang asigumlaba khongjang changadaba any plans to further initiates in the next future?
Yeah. Phangdari phau aikhoidi lauba tabani ipa ipuna more than 70 years fight toraga lucky ba botni still we are fighting aikhoina acceptable and honorable solution hujik phangdradi tungda lakadawriba angang singna su younger generation singna su still we have to fight.
What is your message?
United Naga Council ki Makhada 4 district Naga ki 4 domain district Senapati, Tamenglong, Ukhrul and Chandel. Sida organized tawri base karigino hai kanda center da koi gi Naga people gi wish se Santi permanent peace ama purak pasi pam khre athu bada solution ama purak piro hai bege message se ekoi pining bage ekoi masida ekoi organize tawjabani Indo-Naga peace process ase hojik 23 years running oi khre.
The Delhi police today arrested 10 people in connection with the violent protests in Jamia Nagar. One of them are students from Jamia Millia Islamia University. The people who have been arrested have a criminal background. Earlier in the day, the Delhi police lodged an FIR against 15 people for their alleged involvement in the protests that took place on Sunday. The agitators had set ablaze 4 buses near New Friends Colony, injuring at least 6 policemen and 2 fire brigade personnel. Locals of the Sarai Julema are in Jamia Nagar had allegedly clashed with police. The situation turned critical when the police got into action. Several Jamia students are also said to have been injured in the clash. Around 100 students were also detained by the police but were released later. Speaking to the media, Chinmoy Biswal, Delhi Commissioner of Police Southeast, said that a mob of around 2,000 people turned violent and targeted public transport buses. The United States has called upon authorities in India to protect and respect the right of people who are peacefully protesting against the Citizenship Amendment Act or CAA. We urge authorities to protect and respect the right of peaceful assembly, a State Department spokesperson said on Monday in a statement backing protests that have been spreading and have come under criticism for the use of excessive force by law enforcement personnel. A statement in support of protesters was significant. It was pointed out by observers coming so close to second edition of the annual 2+2 ministerial meetings of the foreign and defense ministers of the United States and India to be held in Washington, D.C. tomorrow, a media report said. The protest over CAA and Jammu and Kashmir could figure in the talks according to people familiar with the discussion points. A Delhi court convicted expelled BJP MLA Kuldeep Singh Sengar yesterday for raping a woman in Unnao in 2017, saying the victim's testimony was truthful and unblemished against a powerful person. The court also slammed the CBI for selectively leaking witness statements and called detailed records to weaken the girl's case. As per media reports, the court convicted Sengar for rape under Indian Penal Code and POCSO Act. The court relied on the girl's statement, considered the events post the rape, where the girl's father was murdered and her uncle was jailed, and upheld the girl's claim that she was a minor at the time of the crime. Let's take a short commercial break now. Stay tuned for more updates.
Perfect cakes for every occasion. 7 Heaven, a slice of happiness. Now at Imphal. Already completed first year anniversary. 7 Heaven is a pure veg and provide fresh cake in just 7 minutes with live kitchen concept. 7 Heaven is the largest bakery chain in India with products like 3D cakes, cupcakes, macarons, donuts, tarts, brownies, cheesecakes and much more. Please visit 7 Heaven, Soibam Laikai, Janims Road, Porompat, Imphal, or contact us at 9366 818 369. The Chopstick Buddies, authenticity of China, now at Imphal. The Chopstick Buddies is a corner store in the Brewbags family, recognized for its classic Chinese foods, personalized atmosphere, excellent service and genial staff members. We offer a range of vegetarian and non-vegetarian foods prepared by expert chefs using fresh and quality ingredients. Please come and visit for the best Chinese cuisines at Imphal, Soibam Laikai, Janims Road, Porompat, Imphal East, or contact us at 8731847066.
Young what?
Soktabadu loidi.
Wabdo koknaba rebalance.
Soktabadu koknaba rebalance. Rebalance na haksang sol amadi electrolytes singi awatpa mekhatuna adongi haksang bu tagat tikna thambang amali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Khurumjari. Lamjingba finance na makal khudingmaki gari sing habadi 2-wheelers, 4-wheelers, commercial vehicles amadi commercial equipment singi ba loan pisari.
Documents isang changdana amadi processing matam changdana yamna laiba mawongda loan phongbiragani
amadi adongi achin ba thubagi damak mayamna wabiragano makal khudingmaki gari ke asu bandan lauzare Christmas ke oiba khadaba offer su pisari
akupa marol gidamakta lengsinbira u Lamjingba finance Nagamapa Rims Road opposite Mitain in the Temple natragana
Lamjingba finance uripok hawam diwan laikai
aikoi gi phone number 6909959834 da contact tobiro.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi. Wedding sets krayenge.
Sure, ma'am. Sigi sets anu yorokuni, ma'am. Imbi.
Je. Sisam phazadro. Sisam phazadro je. Yam is ui.
Mobile furniture na wedding season asigi oina discount up to 30% ki khudong chao pijari.
Welcome back after the break. Assam government has decided to lift curfew completely in capital city Guwahati from today, including the night curfew. According to media reports, broadband internet connectivity will also resume in Guwahati. To be mentioned, Assam has witnessed one of the worst violent protests by the public in its history, with 3 rail stations, a post office, a bank, a bus terminus, shops, dozens of vehicles and many other public properties being set ablaze or damaged, and even people were killed during the Anti-Citizenship Amendment Act movement. Reportedly, the decisions were taken at a Law and Order Review meeting by Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal. However, resumption of mobile internet service or lifting of curfew outside Guwahati is not reported as of now. The district administration of East Khasi Hills again relaxed the curfew in Shillong for 13 hours today. In view of the prevailing law and order situation, the district administration of East Khasi Hills has not completely lifted the curfew in Shillong, the state capital of Meghalaya. In an order issued on Monday under Section 144 CRPC, the District Magistrate of East Khasi Hills relaxed the curfew in all the curfew-bound areas. The relaxation will be effective in the areas notified under Lumdingri Police Station and Sadar Police Station and their respective outposts and beat houses. According to the order, the curfew will be relaxed from 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. today as per a media report. The Assam Gana Parishad AGP yesterday filed 2 separate right petitions in the Supreme Court challenging the constitutional validity of the Citizenship Amendment Act. AGP General Secretary Ramendra Narayan Kalita filed a writ petition on behalf of the party, and former Rajya Sabha MP of the party, Deepak Das, filed another right petition yesterday, a media report said. In January, the AGP snapped its ties with the BJP opposing the Citizenship Amendment Bill CAB. A viral WhatsApp forward is doing the rounds saying that Rs 2,000 notes won't be allowed after 31st December 2019. The message sender claims that the Reserve Bank of India is withdrawing the highest cash denomination to reissue the Rs 1,000 note. It warns that Rs 2,000 note holders can only exchange Rs 50,000. It added that the Rs 1,000 notes will be in circulation from January 1, 2020. The message first began doing rounds when an RTI application revealed in October that the RBI has stopped printing Rs 2,000 notes. This gave rise to widespread rumors that the government is planning to demonetize the currency. This prompted the Press Information Bureau to debunk the news on December 5, saying the Reserve Bank of India made no such announcement. RBI told fact-checking site AOT News that it did not issue any notification announcing the withdrawal of Rs 2,000 notes. In a statement from RBI's Department of Communication, states these as rumors and there has been no such notification by the RBI. It also urged to refer to the website for all communication. Let's take another short commercial break now. Stay tuned.
Admission open. New Public Higher Secondary School, Khangabok. Pre-nursery to class 9. Academic session starts from 6 January 2020. Boarding for boys and girls separately. Extra class for all subjects of boarding section. Transportation, bus and van services. Admission fee for nursery only Rs 1,300 with tuition fee free and T-shirt free. For more details, please contact Principal, New Public Higher Secondary School, Khangapok. Contact number 700-527-3784 or 8731854982. Lengsin Bidou. Hangbiragani mafam asida makhal kaya gi genuine oiba imported amasung Indian brand gi fitness and bodybuilding supplements sing. Loina na Indian brand Green X Nutrition gi distributors oizari. Ngasimang Lengsin Biro Anti-Nutrition Store Iron Gym, Singzamay Sapam Laikai near Singzamay Parking. Contact us at 730-86-92560. Admission open. Sangai Tutorial Kwakachel. Class commencing revision course 5th December 2019. Timing 3:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Foundation course 9th December 2019. Special features, mock tests, printed study material, hostel for boys and girls, van services. For more details, please contact 8787 307 245.
Manipur Miam gi nungairaba paujel. British Clinical Excellence Award panglaba heart ke ana layang da sahi kuntra gi matak experience leiraba Dr. L. Shyam Kishore Manipur gi ahan mamasung amat ngairaba FRCP London oiraba heart specialist asigi makada Sky Hospital da pung kumari chupna heart ki makal makha kaya gi ana layang bagi khudong chaba phangbigani miyam na pambibagi matung inna OPD consultation su pijari matam di ayuk pung nipan dagi ama phawba nungthil pung ani dagi manga phawba loinena RBSK gi card pairaba singi oinadi OPD amadi eco free oijagani Sky Hospital na pijariba atop khudong chaba singsu lobi ho akupa marol gi damak reception ga tanabi
Pakhung ama chalake
चलुने
chahi amagi plan tauge haradi
फौ पाम्बी थाबियो
chahi taragi plan tauge haradi
उ पाम्बी थाबियो
chahi chamagi plan di
इचाबु अफब स्कूल दम हई तमहनबियो
icha kaina afaba school haidi
लनाई कोचिंग तोबगी अवाब लेहंदबा स्कूल दुदा दुम चांगनायना कोचिंग तोहनबा
mama mapaga chamanana warak watembi ba
जिम एरोबिक डांस फुटबॉल थांगता
mamangda 12 exam gi topper su putokraba
ख्वाइदगी चौबा नानबा ख्वाइदगी फब स्कूल स्लोपलैंड पब्लिक स्कूल खोंगजोम चुमबरा
chumme yam khangi ko
Yes, only Slopeland Public School, Khongjom.
Takshila Institute, most trusted national brand with 27 centers span India. 21 plus years experience in NEET G coaching. Highly qualified IITians, NITians and doctor as permanent faculties. 25,000 plus success stories in the past 21 years. Online, offline, without clearing session. Study materials designed by Takshila Research and Development Cell. Smart class with centralized live classes from head office at Delhi. 24 hours Wi-Fi campus. Brought to you by Heritage Convent at Thangmeiban DM College Road, Imphal. Contact number 6009445522.
Welcome back. The United Nations Security Council will meet at China's request today to discuss the situation in the disputed Indian territory of Jammu and Kashmir. According to media reports, the Council will meet behind closed doors for the first time since a similar gathering in August last, which was also called by Pakistan allied China after India removed the decades-old autonomy the area enjoyed under the Indian Constitution. Judicial Magistrate Imphal West 1 rejected the bail application filed by the counsel of R.K. Ichantoibi and remanded her to judicial custody till December 30 yesterday. R.K. Ichantoibi, aged 27, daughter of R.K. Lokon of Tera Akam Lekai, was produced before the court of Chief Judicial Magistrate of Imphal West 1 after 5 days police custody, along with a prayer for remanding her to judicial custody for further investigation of the case. R.K. Ichantoibi was arrested by a team of Imphal Police Station on December 16 last after a suo motu case was registered against her by police for uploading a video criticizing Chief Minister N. Biren. Now let's take a look at the sports news. Bishwarjit Saikom, who won a gold medal and a silver medal at the 13th South Asian Games 2019 held at Kathmandu, Nepal, was felicitated today. Saikom Bishwarjit has also been qualified for the 2020 World Triathlon Ironman 70.3 Championship to be held in New Zealand. Changam Dabi and AGN Ningtho Nai won yesterday's pre-quarter final matches of First Audacious Cup 7-a-side Village Open Football Tournament 2019. In the first pre-quarter match, CYDO defeated FC Heroic by 1-0, while in the second match, AGN beat WYC Wangkem by 2-1. Today's clashes will be between Topokpi and Jack FC and between Andro and Huikap FC. Now let's take a look at some of the local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Supreme Court to hear pleas challenging Citizenship Amendment Act on December 18th. Mamata dares Center over Citizenship Act. Police crackdown on JMI. Protests spread to DU, JU, Lucknow, Hyderabad IITs. Draft electoral roll published for 60 assembly constituencies. The People's Chronicle. Anti-Citizenship Amendment Act protest rage in Bengal. Curfew eased in Assam. Sonia dares Saha to visit Northeast. Police accused of misusing power. State observes Bijay Divas. GI tag for Tamenglong Orange soon, says Chief Minister Biren. 14 MLAs to skip winter assembly session. Imphal Free Press. Students stir against Citizenship Act intensifies across country. Tamenglong Orange to get GI certificate soon. 16 state-level Orange Festival gets underway. Government servants, elected leaders need to work with sincerity, says N. Biren. DM college students demand withdrawal of Citizenship Act. The Morning Bell. Chief Minister announces exclusive funds for fruit-related fest. CAA violence. MHA urges states, UTs to take all precautions. Kaithil Manbi hit and run case. Culprits no bund, says TSA GHQ. Prime Minister says vested forces dividing India on the Citizenship Amendment Act. Supreme Court will not be bullied, says CJI to students. Manipur Mail. Chief Minister inaugurates 16th Orange Festival at Tamenglong. Students show solidarity on CAA issue. Congress in Meghalaya to back demand for ILP, says the chairman of the Confederation of Meghalaya Social Organization, COMSO.
Before we end the bulletin, the top news headlines once again. Rallies take out to support for early solution to Indo-Naga talks. Ten arrested for violence in Jamia Nagar, none of them are students. And respect their rights, US tells India on citizenship law protesters. That's all for the news today at 1 p.m. Thank you for watching.